7 days of the week. Let's start. Sunday, Sunday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Let's learn about shapes. Triangle, triangle. 3 sides. Square, square. 4 sides. Rectangle, rectangle. 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. Circle, circle. Round shape. Oval, oval. Round curved shape. Star, star. 5 sides. Diamond, diamond. 4 sides. Semicircle, semicircle. 2 sides. January, 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 January. February, 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 February. March, 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 March. April, 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 April. May, 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 May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December.